Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to One Healthy Life. In today's video we are going to talk about what's the best breakfast for weight loss. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. When you're trying to lose weight, breakfast can set the tone for the rest of your day. Consuming the wrong foods can amplify your cravings and set you up for failure before the day even begins. On the other hand, filling up on the right foods can curb cravings and keep you feeling full until lunchtime to minimize snacking and ease weight loss. Here are 14 healthy breakfast foods that can help you lose weight. 1. Eggs. Rich in protein and a wealth of important vitamins and minerals such as selenium and riboflavin, eggs are a true powerhouse of nutrition. Thanks to their high protein content, eggs may reduce appetite when eaten with breakfast to give weight loss a serious boost. For example, one study in 30 overweight women showed that eating eggs for breakfast significantly increased feelings of fullness and reduced food intake later in the day compared to eating a bagel. 2. Wheat germ. Wheat germ is a component of the wheat kernel that contains a concentrated amount of vitamins and minerals, including manganese, thiamine, and selenium. It's also high in fiber, boasting nearly 4 grams of fiber in each 1-ounce serving. Studies show that increasing your fiber intake from cereal grains may benefit weight loss. In one study, eating a high-fiber cereal was effective at reducing appetite and food intake, as well as helping stabilize blood sugar after a meal. Another study followed over 27,000 men for 8 years and found that a higher intake of cereal fiber was associated with a lower risk of weight gain. 3. Bananas. High in fiber but low in calories, bananas are a great alternative to sugary breakfast cereals to satisfy your sweet tooth first thing in the morning. One medium banana has just over 100 calories, yet packs 3 grams of dietary fiber, knocking out up to 12% of your daily fiber needs in one shot. Fiber helps slow the emptying of your stomach to curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller longer. Multiple studies have found that upping your intake of fiber from fruits and vegetables is associated with increased weight loss. Additionally, unripe bananas are a good source of resistant starch, a type of starch that your stomach and small intestine don't digest. 4. Yogurt. Creamy, delicious, and satisfying, yogurt makes an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. In particular, Greek yogurt delivers a hearty chunk of protein in every serving, making it an ideal weight loss breakfast food. One study in 20 women found that eating high-protein yogurt as a snack decreased levels of hunger and reduced food intake by 100 calories later in the day, compared to unhealthy snacks like chocolate and crackers. Another study in 8,516 people showed that those who ate at least 7 servings of yogurt each week had a lower risk of being overweight or obese compared to those who did not regularly consume yogurt. 5. Smoothies. Not only are smoothies a quick and easy way to obtain a concentrated dose of nutrients, but they also double as a convenient breakfast item that can accelerate weight loss. Since you can customize your ingredients, you can tailor your drink to fit your personal preferences. Filling your smoothies with veggies and low-calorie fruits can boost fiber intake to help you feel fuller longer. Throw in some high-protein ingredients like nuts, seeds, or protein powder to promote feelings of fullness and fight off cravings. 6. Berries. Berry varieties such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are all incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they're low in calories but packed with essential nutrients. In addition to providing many important vitamins and minerals, berries are rich in fiber, which may reduce hunger and food intake. One study in 12 women found that swapping a high-sugar afternoon snack for a serving of mixed berries reduced calorie intake later in the day by an average of 133 calories. Another study in 133,468 adults showed that each daily serving of berries was associated with 1.1 pounds of weight loss over 4 years. Add berries to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt to take advantage of their unique weight-busting benefits. 7. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are a popular component of many diets and weight loss programs, and for good reason. Besides being low in calories, grapefruits have a high water and fiber content, both of which can be beneficial for weight. One study in 91 obese adults showed that eating half a grapefruit before meals resulted in significant weight loss compared to a control group. In the 12-week study, participants who ate grapefruit lost an average of 3.5 pounds, about 5 times more than the control group. In an 85-person study, consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice before a meal for 12 weeks and pairing it with a low-calorie diet decreased body fat by 1.1%, increased weight loss by 7.1%, and reduced calorie intake by 20 to 29%. 8. Coffee. Some studies have found that your morning cup of joe could bring big weight loss benefits. Because of its caffeine content, coffee may aid weight loss by boosting metabolism and fat burning. According to one small study in 8 men, caffeine consumption increased metabolism by 13% and enhanced fat breakdown. While coffee may not make a balanced breakfast all on its own, you can easily pair it with your favorite healthy breakfast foods to give your morning meal an upgrade. Just make sure not to overdo the sugar or creamer, as they add calories and negate some of the coffee's potential health-promoting properties. 9. Kiwis. High in vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, kiwis offer an impressive nutrient profile. They're also an excellent source of fiber. Just 1 cup provides up to 21% of your daily needs. One study in 83 women showed that a high-fiber, calorie-restricted diet was effective at reducing appetite and preoccupation with food, while also decreasing body weight, body fat, and waist circumference. 10. Green tea. Take a look at all the ingredients in almost any diet pill or fat-burning supplement, and there's a good chance you'll spot green tea. Green tea has been studied extensively for its metabolism and fat-burning capacities. For instance, one small study in 23 people found that taking 3 capsules of green tea extract increased fat burning by 17% within just 30 minutes. Another study in 10 adults showed that green tea extract sped up metabolism and increased calorie burning over 24 hours by 4%. Similarly, a study in 31 adults found that consuming a beverage containing caffeine, calcium, and certain compounds found in green tea 3 times daily for 3 days increased the number of calories burnt per day by 106 calories. 11. Chia seeds. Tiny but powerful, chia seeds are an excellent breakfast supplement. They're high in fiber and can absorb water to form a gel, which expands in your stomach to help keep you feel fuller longer. They're also rich in protein, which can slow the emptying of your stomach and reduce levels of ghrelin, the hormone responsible for stimulating hunger. One study in 11 adults found that eating chia seeds baked into white bread reduced both appetite and blood sugar levels. Another 12-week study in 19 people showed that 35 grams of chia flour daily significantly reduced body weight and waist circumference. 12. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a healthy and delicious breakfast option, especially if you're looking to lose weight. Oats are low in calories but high in fiber and protein, 2 nutrients that impact appetite and weight control. In particular, oats are an excellent source of beta-glucan, a type of fiber shown to impact everything from immune function to heart health. Research shows that beta-glucan can balance blood sugar levels, working to prevent spikes and crashes that may drive up your appetite. One small study in 14 overweight adults showed that consuming higher amounts of beta-glucan led to higher levels of peptide YY, a hormone that regulates food intake by reducing appetite. 13. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are loaded with viscous fiber, a type of soluble fiber that absorbs water to form a gel in your gut. Studies show that soluble fiber is especially effective at slowing digestion, which could help decrease appetite and lower calorie intake to aid weight loss. Research suggests that adding flaxseed to your diet can have a powerful effect on weight loss and appetite control. One small study found that consuming a drink made with flax seeds increased feelings of fullness and reduced appetite, compared to a sugar-sweetened beverage. 14. Nuts. Nuts provide the perfect balance of fiber, protein, and heart-healthy fats, making them a worthy addition to any breakfast. A one-year study in 169 people showed that adding nuts to a Mediterranean diet significantly decreased waist circumference compared to a control group. Another study in 65 adults compared the effects of a low-calorie diet, including 3 ounces of almonds per day, to a low-calorie diet, including complex carbs. Both diets contained an equal amount of calories and protein. Yet, by the end of the 24-week study, those consuming almonds had lost 62% more weight and 56% more body fat than those consuming complex carbs. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.